If Figma is giving you an error when uploading a video, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the most common fixes step by step so you can get your video into Figma without the frustration. This is especially useful if your upload keeps failing, the preview won't process, or Figma simply refuses to accept your file. We'll cover team plan restrictions, file format and codec issues, upload interruptions, and cache or app glitches. And if this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software tutorials like this. Let's start with the first big reason this happens: team plan restrictions. In Figma, video uploads only work on paid teams like professional, organization, education, or enterprise. If your file is sitting in personal drafts, that can be the problem right there. The easiest fix is to move your file out of personal drafts and into a paid team workspace. Once the file is in the right team, try uploading the video again. This single step solves the issue for a lot of people because Figma limits video support based on workspace type. Next, check your file format and codec. Figma is picky about what it accepts, so your video needs to be in a supported format like .mp4, .demov with H.264 encoding, or .rwbm with VP8 encoding. Also, make sure the file is under 300 megabytes. If your .mov file has transparency layers, that can also cause problems because Figma does not support transparency in .mov uploads. If you're not sure about your file, open it in a video converter and export it again using a supported codec. In most cases, converting the file properly solves the upload error immediately. Now let's talk about network or upload interruptions. Sometimes the upload technically works, but the process gets interrupted before Figma finishes rendering the preview. That means you need to be patient and wait for the video preview to fully render inside Figma before you close the tab, refresh the page, or export your work. If you leave too early, the file may appear broken or the upload may fail entirely. So after uploading, give Figma a little time to finish processing everything before moving on. If you're still seeing the error, the next thing to do is clear out cache and check for app glitches. Whether you're using Figma in a browser or through the desktop app, old cache files can create weird upload problems. Try clearing your browser cache, or if you're on the desktop app, restart it and clear any stored app data if needed. It also helps to turn off any active VPNs because they can interrupt uploads or cause connection issues. And don't forget to make sure you have full edit permissions on the file. If you only have view access or limited access, Figma may block certain actions, including uploading or editing video content. So to quickly recap, first, make sure your file is in a paid team workspace. Second, confirm the video format and codec are supported. Third, wait for the preview to fully render. And fourth, clear cache, disable VPNs, and verify your permissions. Following those steps should fix most Figma video upload errors. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss the next quick fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.